Hi all. Now it's time to build something useful with whatever we have learned so far in our Azure Data Factory sessions. So we are going to create a project that is going to have an end-to-end data pipeline. Okay. So let me go to my notepad, and so far if you see we have covered these 13 activities, and we are going to create a pipeline using only these 13 activities. I have not covered triggers, so I'm not going to use any trigger in this pipeline. We are just going to use simple activities, and we are going to run our pipeline using manual trigger. Okay, so the first step is copy yesterday's sales file from SFTP location into data lake, and if it is Monday, take Saturday's file. So the files will be coming to an SFTP location that is going to be a Linux server, and it is going to come from Monday to Saturday. It is not going to come on Sunday. So if it is Sunday, you have to take Saturdays. If it is Sunday, you have to skip it, and if it is Monday, you have to take Saturday's file. Okay, so this is one thing. This is the task number one. After that, you have to check whether the sales file that you have received in your data lake is empty or not. If it is empty, then you can't do anything about it. You just have to fail the pipeline with an error message saying the file that you have received from sales department is empty. Okay, and if it is not empty, then you have to proceed. Okay, now you are going to check for a lookup file. So that lookup file I will be creating. We will talk about that later. Okay, and after that you are going to check the sales orders per region. So in the sales you will have different regions in which the order has been created. You have to find out the count of orders per region. Okay, and after that you have to combine all the orders per region into one single variable, and then you have to update a tracker file. Okay, at the end you have to delete the files from SFTP location. Okay, so this is going to be our problem statement. I know it looks simple, but once you start creating the pipeline you will face problems. Even I am also not very sure whether I will be able to create all these steps in one go. I may also face problems because this is what I have imagined. Okay, so we will work on this together, and we will try to create a product that we can use in our data ingestion task. That is going to be our final pipeline. Okay, so we will start working on one step at a time, and once the earlier step is complete, then we will go ahead with the next step. Okay, so this is going to be our milestone one project, and after that we are going to jump into the other activities that are more related to transformation. So either the transformation activity itself or the activities that help us in the transformation tasks. Okay, right now all the things that you are seeing on my screen is related to either ingestion or control flow in the data factory. After this milestone project we are going to jump into the transformation part of the data factory. Okay, so let's start working on this particular pipeline. Okay, so we are going to start working on this from tomorrow. This is one simple activity that we like. This is one simple project that I have created. I will share this document with you on a GitHub so that you can take a look at it, and after that we are going to build based on whatever we have mentioned here. Okay, so that was all for today, and let's connect tomorrow for developing this pipeline one step at a time. Thank you so much.